want a belly rub? Hmm? Okay.
Nice, right?
Onion rack.
I got distracted on my way up. I was like, that looks comfy.
Hi, Philippe. Hello, everyone. Fall is here. It's been so cold over the past week. We're almost ready to start the wood stove and make sure we have enough firewood for the winter. We haven't had a chance to refill our stock on that in that shed, so we're gonna have to do that. But today, Philippe is trying to finish the top floor or the patio. So once that's done, we're gonna close this build this season and then move on to other projects, which is the greenhouse. But yeah, anyway, I still have some crops in the garden. I was able to harvest some or most of the onions yesterday. I left the carrots, but I took a bunch already, so I may have to harvest them sometime this week and can a bunch of carrot soup. Look at this sunflower. I hope it doesn't die from the cold yet. Most of the time they don't make it because it gets too cold here so quickly. Yeah, all the carrots are still in the ground. All the celeries are still here. The cabbages or the red cabbages might not make it because look at that. They take so long to grow. I don't know why. Nasturtiums are dead. And these guys, which I don't know until now if it's real potatoes or just weed. I'm gonna dig that soon. But I still have a bunch of leeks here that I'm letting to grow more. And then I can make more soup and then can them. The kale is still growing. I'm gonna be harvesting a bunch of leaves soon. And these lettuces are seeding now. They're almost there. Almost ready to go to seed. So I hope they make it before it gets really cold. Yeah, it's getting stressful because I only have weekends pretty much to do all my canning. And last weekend I didn't even film because I had to can caramelized onion on Saturday, and then Sunday I had to cook and can potato leek soup, and it takes almost the whole day. So it's a lot of work. So I may have to do some, like at least slice some onions today and cook French onion soup tomorrow, and then hopefully be able to can them at the end of the day. Yeah, it's getting so stressful, and I'm gonna show you the greenhouse situation later on. But I was able to harvest a bunch of tomatoes already. We've been eating them every day, but I have to cook a bunch of them and can tomato soup. So that's I have a long list of soups to can. We love soup in the winter. Who doesn't? But yeah, I hope you guys have been well, and I'm just trying to catch up with my videos, and hopefully I'll be able to catch up because I'm still 2 weeks behind. Just there's just not enough time for me to edit from all the things that I have to finish, and I work 8 hours a day, so it's really difficult. But the sun is out. I thought it's gonna rain all day, so that's good. But it's gonna get colder and colder here where we are, and today it's at least 10 degrees, and it drops down to 4 degrees Celsius in the evening, so can't complain. Hi Raven. Yes, can I see your wound? You have fresh wound. Look at this guy. He has fresh wound again. Yes. Why do you always have wound? Yeah, they don't like it when you wear cone. Yeah, you tell them that you have to wear a cone because you lick your wound. So yeah, he has another wound. The other one just healed, but then he has another one here. And oh, that sucks. But yeah, so the cone will stay. But we remove them when he's inside. And when I feed him his favorite breakfast. And then the cone must be on him all the time. Otherwise, just 5 seconds that he gets to lick his wound, that's it. It's gonna be bloody. And then it's gonna take a long time to heal, right? Right, Raven? Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the onions that I harvested yesterday. These guys are gonna be I don't know how many are in here, but I'm gonna have to cut this up, chop them up, and then cook French onion soup. And then these guys are curing using my old shoe rack. Yeah, I'm behind the season in harvesting the onions, but I think they're gonna be good in the shop. I haven't even finished cleaning or cutting the garlic. I still have some here. I have to cut them and store them properly. So these needs to be chopped up and cleaned, like these guys here. So these are all ready to be stored. Yeah. They're huge. So happy about my garlic harvest this year. Anyway, I'm gonna do this while I'm waiting for Philippe to call me. Let's see what's going on up here. What's the progress? J channel still.
So I have to bring a sheet, bring the electricity here, the corded angle grinder, because the battery one is getting fixed. Probably get a new one for free. That's pretty good. Anyway, so I have some setting up, but this will be the first sheet. And we'll see how many I get to do.
You can use the scraps for that one.
You can't use scrap, my love. It has to be one piece. It cannot be patched.
Yeah, but the one piece that you use for the first there, you can use for the second one because it's only very little.
If there's a piece, which there should be in the middle, I'm gonna use the piece that's gonna fit there. So I'm so lucky to have you. We're gonna have thunderstorms. Look at that over there. We haven't been hit really yet, but it's coming. Look at that.
It's so dark. It's gonna rain soon. Heavy rain,
It's too
looks
bad
like.
the battery one is gone, because so much better.
Yeah.
Hold it tight. Okay, just hold it there. Oh, holy fuck, it's gonna be wet.
It's so dark. Look at that. It's coming soon.
To somewhere in the middle of nowhere.
You need me?
But I think. Okay, but I haven't done the trim there. I'll do the trim now. Yeah. If it's not there, it makes it easier. Put the sheet. And then I'm worried about the one over there. So maybe this I just do like a half. This now.
Yeah, it's easy to put the channel like that. Seems like.
But they'll be like seams, but that's all.
Yeah, it's matching the door. Huh?
Yeah, it's the same color as the corner.
Yeah. So we don't have to paint it. This is the last siding install. Pretty much, huh? My
It's
love?
getting there.
Like this is the last part of siding install.
Yeah.
No more Tyvek officially.
Fuck
This
Tyvek.
one has Tyvek. But this Tyvek didn't last one season, so that's good.
We're done with Tyvek.
There shouldn't be any mistakes. Your last part of siding should be like, you know, easy peasy.
Yeah.
Huh? After all those sides of cutting and installing, you can beat Kyle and Greg.
Impossible. These guys are pros.
You can work for Kyle.
I need a level. I need my red level.
Where is it? I think the rain is not gonna come here.
Like we've been lucky.
The rain, I think, is going to do a detour. It's cold because of the wind. But if you come here, it's so warm and so nice. I could totally fall asleep here. You're gonna use a scrap
Yeah.
for that part
Yeah.
from your collection of metal panels.
Yeah.
His collection of metal panels are over there. He's gonna leave them there over the winter because yeah, he has to plow this side. So all these scraps Nothing should be here. So we are gonna have to move all the stuff that's in here over there. Yeah, there shouldn't be anything laying around here. That looks like the right size.
It is. Otherwise, I would have left it over there.
There's thunder.
Okay. Will it work?
It should work.
I need you to push this up. No, that's not gonna work. Okay. Thank you.
Looks much better. It's gonna look better once it's completed. That looks more complicated.
No, it'll be fine.
It's the same as the second one.
It'll be fine.
It's just the opposite side.
Yeah. Yeah. This is so good. We haven't had any rain.
Almost. Look at that.
But it's not here.
We're having a break, and I had to peel some garlic, but I thought I'd show you how big a clove of these garlics are. Some of them are small, but most of them are this size. Look at that. One clove is almost the size of my palm. Yeah. I'm so cold. I'm gonna warm up in the room.
I might need you then. It appears a little bit
Longer?
long.
Yeah.
There we go. No, I'm not. But it's to get this in that's gonna be the fucking crazy. That's gonna be a bitch.
You have to put the J channel first before you install it. Because otherwise you won't be able to put it, huh? Why are you laughing? I know.
Okay. Alright. That's why I'm laughing. If you really wanna know, that's why. I won't be defeated so easily.
Prove your worth.
I prove them wrong.
You have to remove it.
I think. No, I need to cut here. Like, what the fuck? How did that happen?
Yeah, because there's a trim there.
I didn't ruin anything. I didn't cut too much. I didn't cut enough. Yeah, it's like it's more powerful.
It's so loud.
But it's a lot more dangerous. Like,
More dangerous in terms of...
well, the chances that I have an accident like Greg with the battery one is a lot less than with this one. Because the other one, I let go and it stops automatically. There's no way for me to have it run.
Yeah, this one will
This one, if I
continue
drop
running.
it will keep running. So that makes a difference, you know, in an emergency. And because it's so much faster and stronger, it will cut through more stuff before jamming or, you know. Okay. So now, let's see what we do for the trim. Okay. 44
yeah. Is that how they do it?
Not quite, but it's.
So there is a gap there.
No, there isn't.
Oh. Okay, that works.
There shouldn't be. Oh, but I see. Okay. I'm gonna do something so that there's zero gap. Okay, that might be better. Okay. So, then we have one panel.
Is that one panel exactly?
And we'll see. Let's take it up. Let me finish.
I hope.
This and then. No, it's plus a little.
Oh.
But it's okay. Okay. Space here, and it needs to be on the wall. So I need to put a line of screws here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but now let's see.
But yeah, the other one there doesn't have screws yet. You're not gonna do that?
I will put the line of screw across, but I'll get the laser to do that. It'll be really fast and easy and super accurate.
Oh yeah,
Oh, fuck.
one
at that.
one panel. That's so good.
I have to cut a little though.
Why? Because
so
the
that
bump,
it
you have to
fits.
cut the bump.
No, I'm gonna cut the line here. Okay, that's good. Oh fuck, that's really nice. It's fucking nice, I tell you. Do you know how nice it is? It's fucking nice. So I have to 96. Okay. It's not the same.
Without Tyvek.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, it looks much better. Last panel left. Perfect combination.
We have enough panels. We could do like that wall there too with metal.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
But
with some green.
we would need to like know what we want to do with the windows, so it's okay for now like this. We have an extra panel.
We can return it
No,
and get a refund.
no, these are not returnable.
Get $50 refund.
No.
Why?
No, because once they're cut, they're cut.
Oh. But then we have to do the triangle.
Before I do the triangle, I have to build a scaffolding on the outside. And we need to bring our scaffold here.
Really?
Yeah, because for this winter, we're gonna put 4 feet of plywood at the bottom, and at the top we'll have the poly.
Mm-hmm.
And then in the spring, we'll know how much money we have.
How much materials we can afford.
Oh.
My love,
What fell on me?
the drill. It looks long. It won't go in.
Kick the bottom and look here. Got it. Give me the drill, please. Now I'm gonna do the upper one first.
Why is that taller?
Huh? I'm gonna cut it.
The channel.
I will cut it.
One more day here. That's it.
And now I just need to do the other ones in the middle on the other side, but with the laser. Okay, so that's that.
Looks really good.
Thank you. No more Tyvek.
This side is done. But there's more work to do on the patio. We're gonna do this one next time. And close the whole area. So this one, when are we gonna close the patio?
Well, not today, but some is coming soon to a theater near you.
Because it's gonna keep raining.
Yeah, it'll be soon, in the coming days. So let's go in the forest. I'll show you my tree stand. Okay? And we're gonna hunt at the same time. You're gonna need to be quiet. Take your mouth.
I need to be quiet when I go hunt.
Yeah, maybe I'm gonna bring some tape for your mouth.
I'm not gonna go hunting. I'm just gonna go with you.
Yeah, but if you have to be quiet, that's the thing.
I'm going for a walk, aka hunting. Not really. I don't like it. It's boring. It's boring.
Hey, be quiet, you. I'm not gonna bring you ever again. I'm taking a risk in bringing you in the forest.
Philippe said I should be quiet.
Can you put this in?
Babe, how do you do it? Now I'm a qualified hunter.
I go first, and you really have.
Oh, I should bring a bag with the
You
roses.
really have to do your best to make no noise.
Roses are ready. I should have brought a bag to get some roses. There's a lot of blueberries. Not sure what this is. Do you guys know what this is? Not sure if that's edible, but I'm not gonna take a risk. Oh, there's more here. There's more here. Look. Oh, that's his new tree stand that he built yesterday, but it's not done. Pretty cool. It's not done.
No, I have to come back.
Uh-huh.
But the hard part is done.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. Climb up.
No, there's no
just-
platform.
But just try the ladder. It's comfortable.
This one. Oh, look, that's a big.
Look at the one over there.
That's so big. That's big. There's another one here. so deep, up to my knee.
Oh yeah, the new one is higher than this.